Hey Kayos, today we're gonna be talking about these two Korean confusing verbs, 울다, 울리다. Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEyo. My name is Inyoung. If you're new here and want to learn Korean language and culture, make sure to hit that like and subscribe to the channel. Have you ever heard 울다 and 울리다? Only difference is one syllable, which is 리. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the difference in the meanings between these two Korean verbs, and I'm gonna show you examples with K-pop lyrics. Then let's get started. 울다 is to cry. So this is actually used with just subject noun. 나는 울어. You don't need an object noun in this phrase. And on the other hand, 울리다 has two meanings. 울리다 can be to ring or to go off. For example, when the bell is going off or alarm is going off, you're gonna use 울리다. So alarm goes off. This does not require an object noun, just like the previous verb, 울다. However, 울리다 has another meaning, which is to make someone cry. In this case, someone is an object noun. Make someone cry. Now you understand the difference between these two Korean verbs. Let's look into some examples with K-pop lyrics. 난 울어버릴지도 몰라. I might cry. 난 I with subject particle 울다 conjugated to 울어. This is cry. 버리다, when 버리다 is used with another verb, it's considered as an assisting verb for the first verb. So in this case, 버리다 doesn't really have much meaning. Main meaning is the first verb, and you may interpret this in English as away, off. 울어버리다, I cry away, something like that. 알지도 몰라. If I break it down, 알지 is whether or not, 도, even. 몰라 is from a verb 모르다, to not know. I don't know whether or not I even cry away. You can just interpret 알지도 몰라 as might. So I might cry. 난 울어버릴지도 몰라. 난 울고 있어. 난 울고 있어. I am crying. 난 I with subject particle 울다 to cry. Verb root plus 고 있다. This is progressive tense. ing. 난 울고 있어. I am crying. 기어이 울지 않아. In the end, I don't cry. 기어이, in the end. 울 is from 울다, 지 않아. Verb root, 지 않다. This is a negation. So, 기어이 울지 않아. In the end, I don't cry. 알람이 울려대. Alarm is ringing. Alarm is the same thing as English word alarm. 이 subject particle. 울려 is from 울리다, to ring. 대. This is from 대다 verb. It's used with another verb 울려 in this case. When the first verb is repeating action, you can just guess. Alarm doesn't just ring once. It rings many times. So 알람이 울려대. Alarm is ringing. 너의 대답이 날 울려. Your answer makes me cry. 너의 대답이 your answer with 이 subject particle. 날 me as an object noun. 울려, 울리다 to make someone cry. In this case, someone is me. 너의 대답이 날 울려. Your answer makes me cry. 대체 네가 뭔데 날 울려? Who the hell are you? That makes me cry. 대체, sometimes you see it as 도대체. You can interpret this as the hell or on earth. 네가, you with subject particle. 뭔데? More is actually what. What and but. What the hell are you, right? But in English, probably you're gonna say who the hell are you rather than what the hell are you. 날 울려. 날, me as an object noun. 울려, again, 울리다, to make someone cry. 대체 네가 뭔데 날 울려? Who the hell are you? That makes me cry. So here's your 숙제. The first one, I cried all day today. And second one, the spicy pepper makes me cry. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If it was useful, make sure to smash the like. Feel free to make your own examples down below. And if you have any questions, also let me know in the comment section. Then I see you guys next time. Bye bye.